This video is for the week 14 homework. Problem 1, solve using a unit rate. 6 pounds of apples cost $12. How much does 8 pounds cost? So we have cost compared to pounds, so here is our $12 for 6 pounds. And so we're gonna first figure out the unit rate, or the price per 1 pound. So to get from 6 to 1, I can see I would have to divide by 6. 6 divided by 6 equals 1. So I'm going to divide my 12 by 6, and I'm going to get that it is $2 for 1 pound. Now I'm going to use that information to figure out how much 8 pounds would be. So 1 times 8 equals 8. So I'm going to do 2 times 8 to figure out that 8 pounds would equal $16. 6 pounds of candy costs $2.44. What is the cost of 1 pound? This is a unit rate problem again. If you're using a calculator, you would take the total cost divided by 6 on your calculator. I'm going to do the long division for this one. So $22.44 divided by 6 pounds. I need to put that decimal point up in my quotient. And now I'm thinking 2 divided by 6, no, 22 divided by 6, yeah, that'll work. 6 times 3 is 18. I'm going to subtract, I get 4. Check, that's less than my divisor, so I'm going to bring down. Now I have 44 divided by 6. I can say 7. 7 times 6 is 42. I'm going to subtract. That is less than my divisor, so that's good. I'm going to bring down. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 6 times 4 is exactly 24. I have 0, so each pound is $3.74. Compare the fractions. 5/7 compared to 5/11. We can see from the picture that 5/7 covers a greater amount of space on this circle. So 5/7 is greater than 5/11. Our recipe calls for 3 cups of water for each cup of rice. It's a 3-to-1 ratio. How many cups of water should be used for 6 cups of rice? So here's our original ratio, 3-to-1, water to rice. And I know I want to make 6 cups of rice, so I'm thinking, okay, I had to do 1 times 6 to get over to that 6. So I'm going to do 3 times 6. I have to increase that water, so I'm going to need 18 cups of water to make 6 cups of rice. The ratio of boys to girls in Miss Cafferty's class is 3-to-2. If there are 30 students in the class, how many are boys and how many are girls? Complete the ratio table below to find the answer. So here's our ratio, boys to girls, 3-to-2. And you can see then that if there was just 3 boys and 2 girls in the classroom, there'd be a total of 5. So as we move up the ratio table, you can see our numbers are increasing. So when I have 12 boys and 8 girls, that's still a 3-to-2 ratio, and that means I have a total of 20 students. When I have 15 boys and 10 girls, again, that's still that 3-to-2 ratio, but this time I have 25 total students. When I have 18 boys, I have to now solve how many girls do I have. So I can think, when I go from that original ratio, 3 boys to 18 boys, I'm multiplying by 6. So to go from my original ratio for girls, that 2, to that number of girls that matches with the 18, I'm also going to multiply by 6. So 2 times 6 equals 12. Okay, and I can see that's following my pattern. The boys' numbers are increasing by 3. The girls' numbers are increasing by 2, and then the total number of students is increasing by multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and then our total when we have 18 boys and 12 girls is 30 total students. Have a great day.